I saw your question in the email. You want to solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So you got to have 0 on one side. Identify A, B, and C. A's coefficient of the squared term, which is 4. B's coefficient of the linear term, which is 5. And C, the constant, is 2. And here's the formula. You got B here and here. You don't put in a 5. And you have A's 4, and you don't put in the 4 here and here. And finally, C's 2. There's only one spot for it. So you substitute them into the formula, then you simplify. So nothing to do here. You square that and multiply. That's what, 32. You subtract, that's -7. Well, I multiplied it on there, got 8. And then the only thing left here is the square root of -7 is I square root of 7. So the final answer here is -5 plus or minus I square root of 7 all over 8. Now, how did I go from here to here? Well, this goes back to an earlier section, 12.4. You could review it. In that section, square root of -b equals I square root of b. Okay. Hope this helps.